Wonderful gonna scream in nature for a while camping sunset shirt. Basically any story involving physicality I have heard of him was the human equivalent of a single wolf. Wonderful gonna scream in nature for a while camping sunset shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. He's second only to Jackson in terms of sheer badassery. A man tried to assassinate Jackson as he was leaving Congress. His first pistol misfired, so he pulled out another which also misfired. Jackson, frustrated that the attempt was so bad, beat him senseless with Wonderful gonna scream in nature for a while camping sunset shirt a cane. There was a Vin Diesel fact generator online with ridiculous claims and anyone could add more. The success of the website made the owner add a Mr. T facto generator and a Chuck Norris fact generator. They were probably hoping for diversity in facts. But the facts from the first just were name changed for Norris. Likely new ones too, of course. I don't remember Mr. T's being popular.